Good morning, everyone. My name is Ganesh, and I'm going to talk about intellectual property rights in pharmaceutical industry. So let's get started. And the first of all, what is intellectual property? Like everyone knows that everyone has a property which is physical, like which we can touch. For example, land we can touch, it is a property. The gold we can touch, it is a property, it is movable property. And another thing is immovable property, that is land. So intellectual property are such kind of property where whatever is your intellectual invention is your intellectual property. And, the intellectual property gives protection and from the another, like it is like giving security to your intellectual property from another. For example, if you buy a gold, it protect you and against the word that any other person other than you is not the owner of that gold. Same thing in intellectual property. If you invent and if you get a intellectual property, like if you register that property, you get security against all the word that you are the owner of that property. This is the case in the pharmaceutical industry also. If any pharmaceutical industry invented any medicine, let us say, so it guaranteed the creator and you providing exclusive rights for a definite period. Okay. uh, and this is and in pharmaceutical industry, innovation is like for market expansion, with a drug discovery being a primary object to yield profitable returns in on investments. And let us start. So first of all, understanding intellectual property rights in the medicine industry. Intellectual property are essential in the Indian pharmaceutical industry, acting as a protective shield for companies and invention medicines. In the word of making medicine in India, intellectual property rights are like protective shields. These shields companies give exclusive control over invention and medicine for some time. Like think of them as a guard of valuable ideas and discoveries. They not only encourage companies to come up with new better medicine, but also make sure that these medicine are available to people who need them. This he need them. And uh, there are different type of IPRs also, but uh, for example, patent, trademark, copyright, trade secrets, each serving safeguard various aspects. But most important is the uh, patent laws. Now let us see how the evolution of the patent laws over a time. The laws about patent in India a change. It's like from the 1970 to 1994. Like there has to change lots of according to the uh, evolution and international agreement. Patent laws has been changed. So there are some key sections in the patent laws which is important for to understand pharmaceutical intellectual property in pharmaceutical industries. That is first of all is section 3, clause D, uh, which uh, which like here it is the mere discovery of a new form of known substance which does not result in the enhancement of the known efficiency of the substance, or the mere discovery of any new property or new use of for a known substance. Like if you have to understand it very simply, it's like a gatekeeper of the fortress. It says that to get a patent for a medicine, it has to be much better than medicine already knows. This stops companies from getting a patent for a small change to existing medicines, making sure only true and new helpful medicines to get protection. patent only goes to those medicine which are new and unique from the medicine that is available. The section, that section talks about it. Now new section, section 3 clause E, which basically makes sure that the companies can't get patent for just mixing together things that are already known. This is important because it encourages companies to come up with new and better ways to make medicines. Furthermore, the section 3I, which ensures that methods of treating people or animal can't be patented. This is because all the methods should be available to everyone who needs them. However, instruments or tools used for treatments can still be protected under patent, which helps encourage company to invent better tools for healthcare. From these three important sections clauses, we can see that the patent only gives to those medicine which is unique from the medicine that is already existed, and which would be helpful for the human being. That is the sole criteria to take a patent of any medicine. Now let us discuss about importance of intellectual property rights in pharmaceutical companies. First of all is protecting invention. Like when a pharmaceutical company discovers a new drug, it's crucial to protect it from being copied or limited. A patent provides this protection by safeguarding the unique process and used to manufacture the drug, and like it it driving economic growth and competition. Intellectual property contributes to countries' economic growth by encouraging innovation. By granting rights to inventors, they can earn profits and reinvest in research and development to create more drugs and improve the existing ones. It protects consumers and families. IPR's special roles in crucial role is ensuring public safety. By granting patent, the regulators can ensure that product meets quality and safety standards by giving consumer peace of mind when choosing medication. And then it preventing drugs infringement. IPR empowers pharmaceutical companies to take legal action uh, the counterfeit drugs. It helps countries worldwide the safety for the medical invention and protect consumer from potential harmful counterfeit medication. Also uh, it helps to it's help for research and development to invent new medicines. Now, in conclusion, IPR's crucial role in pharmaceutical industry for the protecting innovation and driving economic growth, that which ensures public safety and consumers' rights. So it basically handle the consumer protection as well as ensures that the inventor gets the patent, and the right of on the medicine which that person has, and it has been changing. For example, in previous years, where the pet the it used to follow that one medicine which is known, the other person can make the medicine using different ingredient. But now the law has changed. If the one person has invent a medicine, the other person cannot invent the same medicine. So that is the new law which protects the consumers as. And additionally, IPRs play a pivotal role in preventing drug infringement, safeguarding consumers from counterfeit medications, which helps to which helps for the ensuring the consumer protection and inventors protections. Thank you.